をします。ワークショップ。はい。No 聞いたことがあります。I heard this one before. We will explain about what is no, and after that we will try. Okay. So don't hesitate and try whatever maximum what you can do. And this is some little bit difficult chance also will come, and how to stand, how to move, you can learn today. So we will start now. Please enjoy. はい、ありがとう。
The history of no is the no after good looking, about no mask. People on the no stage, no recommended for beginners. Structure of the no stage. Let's try no. Recommended no here. No is the most traditional, most oldest traditional art in Japan.
No originates in the 8th century, in the Nara period, where Nara was the capital of Japan. And it is influenced by the performing art called San Gaku, which comes from China. And this tradition is, it predates the Chola Empire here in Tamil Nadu, which came about in the early 1100s. Going off on a tangent, the hiragana characters that you're all learning, they also have their roots in Chinese characters. So the Japanese derived the hiragana script from these Chinese characters. And Japanese literature and paintings have been strongly influenced by China.
These two are the kabuki actors who are currently active in the media. Left man is Somegoro. Right man is Danjuro. I'm gonna ask you, which man do you like? Speaking of no masks, let me share some information. The most distinctive feature of no is its mask performance. The mask on the left represents a female vengeful spirit called the Hanya in Japanese. The upper half portrays sadness, while the lower half portrays anger. It symbolizes the dual nature of demon woman, where anger and sadness coexist. This unique portrayal, not solely focused on one emotion, feels very Japanese. First, about shite, he. The main role in No is called shite. There are 6 schools in No, but the shite is performed by 5 of them. The role played by the shite include not only living humans, but also ghosts, gods, and yokai. No recommended for beginners. I recommended the following 4 plays. First, Tsuchigumo. This is the flat seat performance and recommended for those who are interested in No but worried if they will understand it. It has a simple story of the shite, Minamoto no Yorimitsu, defeating the monstrous Tsuchigumo. Benkei. This is the No I showed you at the beginning. Third, Aoi no Ue. This place is based on the tale of Genji. It tells the story of Lady Rokujo, who becomes a vengeful spirit due to her love for the man named Hikaru Genji. A structure of the No stage. Please take a look at this photograph of No stage. The No stage has a very unique structure.
この裏船にこの